Come test drive the 2017 Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.